So the Turkish get up is when you start with the weight in an overhead position while you're standing and get to lying down on the floor with the weight still in an overhead position, and you have to stand back up again from the lying down position. Okay, so in the beginning, please start off with a very light weight. We're going to just be practicing the movement. Start by just learning the Turkish sit-up, which is just one part of the Turkish get-up. So lying down on the floor, we want to make sure that if you're holding the weight in your right hand, there will never be any bend in your elbow. That's the first thing that you should be looking at. Okay, next, always keep looking up at the weight from this position. Also make sure that the weight is in your right hand. It's your right leg, knee, which is bent the way it is here. And make sure your left hand is 45 degrees out to your body, and so is your left leg. Now from here, what I want you to do is roll onto your shoulder, left shoulder, the way I'm going to do here. So first roll onto your shoulder, then onto your elbow, and then place your palm on the floor and come up onto your palm. Okay, and go back the same way down. After practicing this a few times, get your Turkish sit up with your both hands, with your right hand and with your left hand. Once we have practiced the Turkish sit up, we are going to start off with the Turkish get up from a standing position. Make sure you're always looking up at the weight, though I am not here for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, so what you're going to be doing, you're going to take a step forward. Make sure it's your right leg that goes forward if the weight is in your right hand. And now this part is critical. I don't know if you watched me, but I shifted my back leg to make it a little more angled inwards. I'm just going to show it to you again. Okay, so on this position, if you see, I turn my leg inwards before I put my hand down on the floor. Okay, now with my hand down on the floor, it's critical to sweep your back leg forward while you keep looking up at the weight, and your right foot is always flat on the floor. Slowly descend your hips, descend onto your elbow, always looking at the weight, and then descend onto your back. And we're going to be doing the same thing in reverse. Is roll onto your shoulder and onto your elbow, then onto the palm of your hand. Lift your hips up slowly, sweep your leg behind, and see that your leg is angled inwards the same way it was in the beginning while going back down. Straighten your torso and stand up. That's a Turkish get up. Make sure you do it in front of your coaches and that they are watching you guys.